Introducing the professional DT830B DT832 digital multimeter, an essential tool for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Encased in a durable black casing, this multimeter is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Its compact size of 12,670 millimeters ensures easy handling and storage, making it a perfect addition to your toolkit. With a versatile measurement capability, it accurately measures AC voltage from 200 volts to 750 volts and DC voltage from 200 millivolts to 1000 volts, allowing you to tackle a wide range of electrical tasks. The professional DT830B DT832 digital multimeter delivers reliable performance and accurate results, making it a must-have for any professional or hobbyist. Come visit our shop and buy now!